Hi guys, we have here the grand winner of Ginoong Kalamba 2025, Jenner Kapitan.
Hello po!
Jenner, congratulations!
Ay, thank you po.
How do you feel right now?
I feel sleepy now because all of that practice is worth it naman.
Jenner, nanalo kang Best in Swimwear, Best in Formal Wear, at Best in Ramp.
Yes po.
During that time, may English ka naman nanalo ka ng Ginoong Kalamba.
Di po di ko rin po expected eh.
Sinong unang mga gusto mong pasalamatan?
First, I want to thank all the organizer and the judge who come here to basta thank you. Basta to my family and to the sister band. Ay lang po.
Sa ating mga viewers, no, we are celebrating Buhayani Festival. Ano ba ang Buhayani Festival?
Buhayani Festival is life and festivities that we celebrate throughout triumph all we receive throughout the year po.
Ano mga naging challenges mo sa pageant na to?
Challenges po? School po eh. Mostly school po talaga eh.
You're still in school?
Yes po.
Anong tinitake up mo?
Computer engineering po.
Computer engineering. Again, Jenner, congratulations. We will see you in Anilag.
See you din po.
So ready ka na for next year's Anilag?
Yes naman po.
Of course, ready ka na. Ngayon pala nakikita ko ready ka na. Congratulations!
Thank you po ulit.
Thank you. Hi guys, congratulations. We have here the grand winner of Binibining Kalamba 2025, Sherlyn Gonzalez. Congratulations, Sherlyn.
Thank you so much. I'm really overwhelmed right now. I don't know if I could ever find the right words to say how happy I am.
Sherlyn, how do you feel right now?
Yeah, I'm feeling ecstatic. I mean, I think to say that I'm feeling ecstatic would still be an understatement. My emotions are all over the place. I'm overwhelmed and I'm really, really grateful po.
Sinong unang gusto mong pasalamatan?
Unang gusto kong pasalamatan, of course, would be my mother. Kasi sobra yung tiwala binigay niya sa akin, yung pagpapalakas ng loob niya sa akin. And nakita niya ako talaga na umiyak every day and every night bago tong coronation na to. Kasi ang dami ko pong sinacrifice for this night talaga.
From the very beginning of the competition of the pageant, did you feel may inkling ka na ba na ikaw mananalo?
No. Kahit anong competition na sinasali ako, never ko kiniklaim na I'll be the winner. Regardless kung tingin ko gaano ako kalakas as a candidate, never ko yun kinlaim. But I always hope for the best and I always make sure that I'll give my best in every portion of the pageant.
Sherlyn, you'll be going to compete at Anilag next year.
Yes. It's gonna be a comeback actually because I've already competed in Anilag way back in 2023 and I actually won as first runner-up.
When was that?
Way back in 2023.
2023?
Yes, bali nauna pa kasi magkaroon ng Anilag before pa nagkaroon ng Ginoong at Binibining Kalamba. It took 9 years for this to happen again. And I've waited 9 years for this moment.
Congratulations.
Yes,
see you in Anilag.
Yes, I'll see you again in Anilag.
Yeah. I also know that you have also competed before in the national pageant.
Yes, I've competed in Misfit Philippines and I ended up a top 15 finalist.
Yes, your name rings a bell. So you will be competing again at nationals.
Maybe after I compete in Anilag, then we'll see. Kasi as of now, I'm pursuing a lot of careers and paths. I'm actually a graduating nursing student. I'm about to graduate this July and I'm about to take the board exam. So we'll see. But I'm not closing my doors. I'm really looking forward to join a national pageant maybe real soon.
Okay, again, congratulations, Sherlyn. Your co-candidates are waiting for you for your pictorial. Congratulations.
Nice to meet you.